Hey everyone, it didn't take me that long, but I finished up my smoothie. It's a pineapple with egg, milk, cheese, and ice cream. And I did it with my Ninja blender, my Ninja Auto IQ Nutri Ninja Blender Duo. And I actually finished it up. And actually, this is the actual final product right here, in here. And it's actually not that bad. It's pretty good. I like it. And I only used one egg, like a little bit of milk, maybe like half, maybe like I don't know, 1/3 or 1/4 cup of milk, and I used also some Tropicana original no pulp orange juice, pure premium. You can use any type of orange juice. You can use original pulp and no pulp. You can use, like I said, any type of orange juice. Tropicana original, no pulp or pulp would do, but any type of orange juice. One egg, and I used a sliced up pineapple in the pieces, and I put them all in as you saw, and then I blended them together. And the first time I was like, I need something else, and then I added the egg with the milk and the ice cream, and I blended them. I pureed them. I put it on high, medium. I did pulse. You can do whatever you want. You can mix it however you want. But the way I did it, it came out pretty good for now. But if you guys want, please do subscribe to my channel down below. Comment the questions down below, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. And for right now, I'm gonna go and enjoy my ice cream pineapple orange juice smoothie, because it's really good. So I'll see you guys all later. Remember, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all the 7 subscribers who subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all my subscribers, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll just leave comments, questions down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you guys all later. See ya.